At the UNGA plenary session of the report of the International Atomic Energy Agency, BJP leader Daggubati Purandeshwari delivered India's official statement. She emphasized the country's unwavering support for the IAEA's crucial role in promoting the peaceful, safe and secure use of nuclear science and technology. Purandeshwari highlighted India's commitment to global nuclear responsibility and its belief in the transformative potential of atomic energy for sustainable development. She noted that the agency's efforts in ensuring safety standards and fostering international cooperation were vital to maintaining trust and transparency. Her remarks reflected India's long-standing partnership with the IAEA and its dedication to advancing nuclear applications for societal benefit.
Mr. President, I thank you for giving me the floor. We thank Australia for tabling the resolution on report of the International Atomic Energy Agency. India values the essential role of IAEA in assisting countries to build human institutional capacities, including regulatory capabilities for the safe, secure, and peaceful applications of nuclear science and technology. The role of nuclear science and technology has been crucial in the implementation of national development strategies and recovering from the COVID pandemic while ensuring the implementation of the 2030 agenda and in the achievement of climate goals in the context of the 2015 Paris Agreement. IAEA's activities in the field of technical cooperation and nuclear applications contribute in an important way to meeting energy needs, improving human and animal health, developing agriculture, managing the use of water resources, optimizing industrial processes, thus helping to improve the quality of life and well-being of people across the world. India welcomes the agency's flagship initiatives cutting across different areas of nuclear science and technology, such as Rays of Hope for cancer control, Zodiac for strengthening capacities to respond to zoonotic disease outbreaks, and New Tech Plastics for addressing plastic marine pollution. We also support and appreciate the support extended by IAEA to member states in response to natural disasters, outbreaks, as well as emergency situations. Mr. President, India has made significant achievements in the area of nuclear power and research applications. Indian nuclear power reactors have been setting records in uninterrupted continuous operations. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, have been operating continuously for a duration of more than a year on 53 occasions and more than 2 years on 4 occasions. Baba